while I request Professor Avinash Aslekar, convener, Communique 13, to kindly come up and deliver the welcome address.
Good morning. We have with us chief guest for today, Mr. Sandeep Girotra, Head India Nokia Solutions Networks, Mr. Neil Pollock, CEO, Data Center Managed Services, Bharti Airtel, Laszlo Pose, ICT Management Consultant, T-Systems, Srinivasan Jayaraman, Vice President and Global Head, Telecom Practice, Virtusa, Chandan Kumar Das, Country Representative, Spirit DSP and Video Most, Reggie Cherian from Capgemini. I welcome all of you. We also have delegates from industry and student, and some of our alumni are also present. I welcome you all. The International Telecom Seminar, Communique, is the flagship event of SITM. Right from its inception, it has been organizing it every year. Each year, with the finest minds of telecom industry, the seminar addresses various relevant issues and trends. The idea behind this seminar is to bring stalwarts from the industry on neutral platform in order to reach a consensus on some of the contemporary issues confronting the industry. It also unveils the practical aspects, prevailing trends, and the expected route of industry by providing a common platform for the students and the industry experts to interact. Every year, the seminar has a theme around which the topics revolve. Last year, the theme was Beyond the Communication Horizons, Unfolding New Vistas, in which we discussed various domains with which telecom industry was building its congruence. Last year, the Communique presented its second international telecom seminar, and its success can be attributed to the invigorating sessions by Mr. Tarun Sharma, CEO BMC Software, Mr. Anshu Gaur, President and Head Amdocs India, Burzin Dubash, Executive Director and Partner Axis Risk Consulting, Abraham Joseph, CEO M2M Insights and CEO Device Management Forum, Mohammad Chowdhury, Partner Telecommunication Leader PwC, Douglas Perez, CEO at Stream, Ramashish Ray, Director Retail Samsung, and many others. Communique 13 will attempt to define the telecom omnipresence by stitching the link between various related industries. It also looks to explore various opportunities in the contemporary and the future scenarios. In this era of ubiquitous connectivity, telecom is no longer a vertical confined to traditional communication, but it's bolstering its foothold in burgeoning opportunities of various domains. The real potential of telecom omnipresence is going to kick in when the operators look at themselves as horizontals rather than verticals. The achievement of omnipresence brings an important visual element to its integration capabilities. With the advent of handset apps, 3G and LTE, it's a matter of time before operators lose complete control of their content flowing through their pipes. The smartest thing to do is to jump on this bandwagon and follow the course of lateral expansion and breathe life into every other vertical. The telecom industry is leveraging existing technologies to broaden its horizon to offer innovative services with the cohesive vision of universal connectivity across the globe. The ICT industry is completing various domains with its communication services to better suit the changing lifestyles of the masses. With so much new to offer in terms of technology, business ventures, and expansion, no wonder everyone in this world is intently looking at communication industry today, waiting and watching for the process of innovation in the industry. And hence, the theme this year is Telecom Omnipresence, Opportunities for the Connected World. In these 2 days, we'll be having interesting panel discussions on the topics like LTE, media and entertainment, innovation and entrepreneurship, and OTT. We recently had the unveiling of Privijaw, our annual telecom forecast. This aims at providing a neutral and insightful single point of view regarding the emerging trends in telecom for the forthcoming year. Privijaw is in its 11th year of publication. In Privijaw 2014, a special feature discussed is near-field communications. In the opinion of industry experts, banking, e-commerce, m-commerce industry, and the distribution channels can drive adoption of NFC. Telcos may not be in the position to contribute in the uptake of NFC due to absence of value chain and related revenue share model. When we look back, we humbly note that some of the issues discussed and the predictions announced in the past seminars become realities later. We have been fairly accurate in our predictions of our forecast. I am very grateful to alumni for their constant support and also Deloitte Haskins and Sells for streamlining our forecasting process. We have another publications which we had been publishing since 2008, that is Telecom Business Review, with the agenda of participating and promoting research in the field of telecom, IT business. The TBR has been a platform for scholars, teachers, professionals, and students to contribute and showcase their knowledge, research, experience, study results, and findings in the relevant areas of technology and business. In its 7th year, TBR has been recognized as a refereed journal and indexed under ProQuest. The journal would be soon listed in global databases like EBSCO, Cabell, Ulrich, Business Source Complete, etc. SITM is coming up with 7 consecutive issues of TBR in September 2014. We request interested people to send research papers to us before 30th December 2013. This seminar is a great learning platform for the students, as they would not only listen to the various telecom experts, but also get a chance to organize an event like this. I'm proud to say that SITM has been organizing this seminar in a professional way and making improvements every year. And this is an opportunity for students to learn a lot. I once again thank all our guests and delegates for having made to this seminar. Finally, I would like to thank the entire telecom fraternity for being here with us. I would also like to thank our sponsors for their support. I'm sure the next 2 days will be a great learning for the students who are here. Thank you very much.